welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to change your ink pad for what? Waste toner cartridge for your Canon PIXMA. It's going to be G3420. So what I did, I bought this online. So if you're looking for one, you can maybe inbox me. It's brand new. So once you put it in, this message is gonna go away. So but also there's another way. You can buy a chip only instead of buying this, or you can buy a chip resetter. There's something which you can use and reset that. So but I didn't have much time, and where I am, this thing can come from China and stuff, but locally we had this one. So what I'm doing now, I'm gonna open this. Yeah, I'm opening that. So I'm gonna open this guy. You can see how it looks like. You can see it's white. It means there is no ink there. So this is the chip. You can take out this chip. So when you take out the chip, you replace with a different chip if you want to. But then I didn't buy a chip, I bought the entire component. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out of power, right? After taking out power, so I'll need a screwdriver. So since I need a screwdriver, I might need a stuff first, right? Then I'll do this. After doing this, take out this guy. Then I open this compartment. Then I slide this guy out. Just this. After sliding this guy out, throw him there. Get this guy. Put him in here. After that, then what I do, I'm gonna cover this guy here. Let me see. Remember there's this, right? You can put it here. Oh, come on, man. Don't embarrass me. Okay. Okay. Why this guy is not fitting in? Okay. I'm getting a challenge on this. Okay, it's in. Good. So once it's in, get this guy. Just one screw. You fasten this guy. Done. Once you're done, so we're going to test. Okay, guys, we're done. Let's see if our printer is fine. Look, after doing that, can you see? Our printer is 100% fine. There's no more errors anymore. Do you get me? So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video.